Okay, for this problem, the point is to look at it as the cosine of an angle minus an angle. So sometimes when you see the inverse trig functions, or I should say the composite trig functions, you don't recognize it for what it is. Arc sine x is the angle whose sine is x. So it's an angle. It's basically like an alpha. Arc tangent 2x is the angle whose tangent is equal to 2x. So again, it's an angle like beta. So this is just a cosine alpha minus beta. I can still draw a quadrant triangle to help me evaluate this. So draw one for alpha and one for beta. So for alpha, I need to draw a triangle whose sine is equal to x. So if I draw my right triangle in quadrant 1, the opposite over the hypotenuse is going to be x over 1. And then if I do my Pythagorean theorem correctly, the bottom of the triangle is going to be 1 square root of 1 minus x squared. For the second triangle, I need to draw a triangle whose tangent is equal to 2x. So opposite over adjacent is going to be 2x over 1. And then my hypotenuse is going to be the square root of 1 plus 4x squared. So I need to do cosine of alpha, cosine of beta, plus sine alpha, sine beta. So cosine of alpha, that's in my blue triangle, is going to be square root of 1 minus x squared over 1. Cosine of beta is going to be 1 over square root 1 plus 4x squared. And it was cosine alpha minus beta, so I'm going to have a plus in the middle. Now I'm going to do sine alpha and sine beta. Sine alpha is x over 1. Sine beta is 2x over square root 1 plus 4x squared. So just cleaning this up, my denominator is the same, so my numerator is going to be 2x squared. I'm going to put that first, plus the square root of 1 minus x squared. My denominator is just going to be square root of 1 plus 4x squared. And we're not going to do anything else with that. We're going to leave it alone. So the biggest thing I wanted you to see on this problem is this very first part. This is in a form that we know how to do now. This is cosine of an angle minus an angle. But if you don't recognize that, then you have really no way of tackling this problem. So cosine alpha minus beta.